Genesis 1 verse 3. Mwari vakatiadza ngachivapo chiadza chikavapo. John 14 verse 14. If you ask anything in my name, I will do it. John 14 verse 15. If you love me, keep my commandments. Ephesians 6 verse 1. Children, obey your parents in the Lord, for this is right. Psalms 23 verse 1. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. Exodus 20 verse 8. Remember the Sabbath day and keep it holy. John 3 verse 16. For God so loved the world so much that he gave his only begotten Son, so that whoever believes in him should not perish but have everlasting life.
Luke 2 verse 52. And Jesus grew in wisdom, in stature, in favor with God and men. Exodus 20 verse 8. Remember the Sabbath day and keep it holy. John 14 verse 14. If you're asking anything in my name, I will do it. John 11 verse 35. Jesus wept.
Genesis 1 verse 1. Pata munakaskadenganye. Maflipi 4 verse 4. Father nesapa neseva. John 11 verse 5. Marakachema.
Psalm 23 verse 1 to 6. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He makes me to lie down on green pastures. He leads me beside the still waters. Even though I walk through the shadow of the valley of the death, I will fear no evil, for you are with me. Your robe and your staff, they comfort me. You create a table before me in the presence of my enemies. My cup overflows. You anoint my head with oil. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me in the days of my life. I shall dwell in the house of the Lord forever.